Did you know that less than 10% of all plastic ever produced has been recycled? That means most of the plastic we use on campus is destined to end up in our landfills or oceans, but it doesn't have to be that way. Welcome once again to Servant Leaders Hub. It's great to have you here, where your go-to place for becoming a values-driven leader who serves, leads, and inspires. Today we'll explore how we can take action on a problem that literally follows us everywhere on campus: plastic waste. You see it every day, right? The cafeteria bins overflowing with plastic forks, the endless stream of bottled water, those flimsy coffee cup lids. It can feel like a losing battle. But what if I told you that you and your friends have the power to change it? Today, I'm breaking down a project that we've been working on, a step-by-step guide to launch your very own plastic-free campus campaign. This isn't just about picking up trash. It's about making a real, lasting change. So let's break it down. Step 1. Be a plastic detective. First things first, you gotta understand the enemy. You can't fight what you don't know. So grab your friends and become plastic detectives. Go on a plastic audit. Go to the places with the most trash, like the cafeteria or a busy hallway. Count the most common plastic items. Is it water bottles? Straws? Food wrappers? Take notes. This isn't a science project you'll forget about. This is your ammo. This data is the proof you'll use to convince teachers, administrators, and other students to join your cause. Step 2. Create a plan, not a protest. Once you have the data, you need a plan. Don't just complain about plastic. Propose a solution. Brainstorm. Is the biggest problem the plastic forks in the cafeteria? Your campaign could focus on getting the school to switch to compostable cutlery. Is it the water bottles? Maybe you can propose adding more water refill stations. Get creative. This is where the fun starts. Design posters with catchy slogans like "Don't be a plastic fanatic" or "Our campus, our planet." Launch a social media campaign with a cool hashtag. Make a short video on your phone showing all the plastic you found. Step 3. Talk to the right people. This is the most important step. A great idea stays just an idea unless you act on it. You need to talk to the people who can make a difference. This means your school principal, the cafeteria manager, or even the student council. Don't just walk in and demand change. Present your data. Show them the numbers you collected. Explain your plan clearly and professionally. A well-researched proposal is way more powerful than a complaint. You're not just a student, you're a problem solver. Step 4. Launch and get your hands dirty. Your campaign is ready. Now get it out there. Put up the posters. Post the videos. Hold a workshop on how to make your own reusable bags. Organize a campus-wide cleanup to show everyone what you're fighting for. The goal isn't just to talk about change, it's to be the change. So, there you have it. The secret to a successful plastic-free campus campaign isn't magic. It's teamwork, data, and a plan. It's about turning your passion for the planet into action. You have the power to make your school a cleaner, greener place. Your voice matters. Your actions matter. So, my challenge to you is this: don't wait for someone else to start. Pick one area on your campus that needs help, grab a friend, and start your own plastic audit this week. Let's make your school a model for the world to follow. If you're ready to make a difference and become a part of a community of self-empowered viewers, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's embark on this journey together, where we learn to lead with heart and a genuine desire to serve. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this episode. See you in the next episode. Serve, lead, inspire. Thank you for watching.